Hello everyone and welcome back. With race weekend now only a week away, I really need to get this thing wrapped up. So yes, hello everyone and thank you very much for joining me once again. Today we are on the race car and as you can see it's nowhere near ready and race weekend is next weekend at Donington Park. So today we will be wrapping this car completely, giving myself a new livery for the season, which was the plan 3 weeks ago. And we did actually start this 3 weeks ago, but there was a massive issue with the vinyl that the company had sent me. So I'm not best pleased with the company I bought the stuff from. It was a company called Wrap Direct. They are owned by their own wrap manufacturer, vinyl wrap manufacturer called Chromatic. And you'd think that they'd sell their own stuff only, but I'm pretty sure that they have just used some cheap knockoff for one of the colours. I'll take you over there and I'll show you in a minute, but it was quite apparent even when it got delivered that they weren't the same. And on their website it says that the gloss section that I bought both colours from said it was the same stuff, it was their Chromatic PGR 600 or something like that it was called, but it was quite obvious that it's not. And we had done about 3/4 of the car. There was only that front wing and that door to be done, and we were complete. But every time you get so far, the stuff would just rip. Or you go to heat it up and bend it around a corner, and there was no stretch. It was just absolutely horrendous to use. The grey, fantastic. The back end of the car turned out so well. And like I say, I'll take you around there in a second and show you exactly where we're up to. But I had to literally remove all the orange that we'd done. And I've now bought some new stuff. I came up here late last night just to test it out because, again, I was worried that we'd come up here today, start doing it and we'd have the same issues, but far from it. This new orange that I bought is absolutely fantastic. It's probably even better than the grey. How it lays on the car is so easy. And, I mean, I've done that rear quarter by myself and no imperfections. But me and Adam last week, we spent hours trying to do each panel and we still couldn't get it perfect. Now, neither of us have got a load of wrapping experience, so we maybe put that down to ourselves, but when we then started on the grey on the back, we noticed how easy it was and how little imperfections we managed to achieve on the back end, so we knew that there was definitely something wrong with that orange wrap. So anyway, I'll take you over there and I'll show you what the wrap looks like and the issues we had, and then after that, it's literally a case of just get cracking and wrapping this entire car and then making sure that it's all ready to go for next weekend.
Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around.
Okay, so as you can see, this is where we are now up to. So like I said, the grey turned out really well. I've done the entire rear end and it looks fantastic. There's no real imperfections. It really did turn out really well. But the orange was a different story, which, I mean, like I say, I'll show you the vinyl in a second. But so yesterday I came up here late last night and I fitted this orange by myself and it came out so well. Again, no imperfections. It was super easy to do, really nice to lay. Couldn't be more happy with that. So hopefully the rest of the car is going to go just as well. But here is the wrap that I bought. So this is the grey. As you can see, like I said, all branded up Chromatic. Really nice stuff. This really is good stuff. It's 3 layers, so there's a clear layer on top of the grey, and then obviously you've got your backing plate. But the orange that they'd sent me, look, no branding, no 3rd layer. You can feel that it's just different. It's horrible. It's cheap. So, like I said, I ordered some more orange from a different company, and again, I mean, this is branded up with their stuff. And it's just, yeah, it's so easy to use. It's so nice. So, like I said, here's where we're up to. We now have the rest of the car to wrap. So, we just need to crack on.
I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't wanna be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't
Okay, so here it is, my freshly wrapped up Clio, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I didn't expect it to turn out quite this well, especially as I've got no prior experience to wrapping. I did cheat a bit though. The front and rear bumpers, that's painted. I just quickly gave them a paint with some rattle cans. Looks alright, looks pretty good to be fair. But other than that, I'm super happy with the results, and do you know what? I have the most up respect for any of you rappers out there, because that is not easy. That was a frustrating job. However, we did manage to get it all pretty much wrapped up in a day. Obviously, I had done the grey a couple of weeks ago, but all the orange we managed to get done in a day. I've even put some decals on that we have to run for the club. I've still got a few stickers I need to put on, like the fire extinguisher and the kill switch, and obviously the toe stickers, but I will do that when we get to the track next weekend. So that's it. Literally next weekend we will be firing this thing around Donington Park, and I can't wait. I'm hoping it's going to look just as good on track as it does in here, and I'm hoping it's going to go well. Fingers crossed. So until then, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.